Here at Price, we believe in providing high-quality products with quick, on-time delivery. The critical role of hospital operating rooms and clean rooms means construction schedules and product quality cannot be compromised. With this in mind, Price has systematically evolved our manufacturing processes over the last 50 years. From order placement through to shipping, critical elements of our process have been automated. A Price-built engineering automation program produces layouts, submittals, and factory drawings for hospital operating room systems. The automated submittal process helps to reduce the upfront engineering time, providing customized submittals within 2 business days. Key processes in the factory have been automated, allowing Price to provide reliable lead times and quick ship deliveries. A combination material handling, laser cutting, and panel forming machine cuts and forms 1 diffuser plenum every few seconds, which previously would have taken several minutes. In addition, a multi-axis CNC milling machine transforms raw extrusion into completed parts, ready for welding and final assembly. Here at Price, continuous improvement isn't just left to the lean experts, it's a true team effort. Our Winning Teams program facilitates an engaged workforce by encouraging all Price employees to identify areas for improvement and implement lean solutions. Priority orders are planned during morning meetings, and team huddle boards promote a happy and healthy team environment where personnel can thrive and grow. At Price, quality is a top priority and ingrained in everything we do. Our growth and success is a result of commitment to customer satisfaction and delivering the perfect order. To ensure that each and every critical environments product shipped from Price meets customer expectations, a number of quality processes have been implemented, including aerosol leak testing on all HEPA-filtered diffusers, functional light testing on UltraSuite, dielectric high-voltage safety testing on UltraSuite driver cabinets, functional motor and controller testing on fan filter units, and quality assurance checklists for all critical environments products. To ensure delivered quality, robust packaging and crating eliminate shipping damage. Reliable, on-time delivery of products to the job site is of the utmost importance. With the lowest lead times in the industry at 3 weeks for standard orders and 5 weeks for most special orders, as well as 2-day, 5-day, and 10-day expedited delivery options, Price offers unparalleled delivery service. Our commitment to continuous improvement through automation, quality assurance measures, and delivery excellence allows Price to provide full operating room systems and fan filter units from design through to shipping in as little as 1 week, making Price the supplier of preference for the air distribution industry.